Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this Casablanca Lady Delta in the uncommon size of 36 inches in blade span. So these fans usually come in 42 inches, but the quite uncommon size of the blades are 36 inch, and this fan is a 36 inch. Here's the tag. I'll put the date up on the screen. I don't remember when it's from, but I'll put it on the screen. Got the ceiling fan off eBay. It needs some work. Bearings are loud. I just have the short down rod on it for now because it came with a long extension, and it's a bit wobbly because it's not the right ball socket. And the blades, this side of the blades is pretty rough. So that's why I have this side down, and it's in a lot better shape. There's like no blemishes on it. Needs some polishing and compounding. I'm going to be doing that, and I'm going to be putting new bearings in too. But anyways, we will get to low. Here's low. This fan is very overpowered considering it has the same size motor as any Casablanca fan from the 80s, 90s. And it has 36-inch blades, and with these small blades, it flies. It's so overpowered. The blade finish is just the regular oak finish, and then it's in polished brass, as you can see. Yeah, it wobbles a little bit, like I said, because of that ball socket. It's not the correct ball. But in the next video, it will be all complete. Has everything, it's just, I feel like putting the long down rod on. Here's medium. This is already like a high speed. It's blowing a lot of air. This fan utilizes the Emerson K55 motor. It is not an Astrasan motor, even though it would seem like it's an Astrasan or Samsung motor. It is not. I'm only saying that because it has pretty loud bearings once it gets up to high. You can hear the bearing noise a little bit now. You can hear it a lot more now, so it's going to need a bearing replacement. There's some tarnishing a little bit, but it's not a bad fan overall. It'll clean up nice. It's blowing everything around. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.